Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite, and today I'll show you how to set up the personal hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle for the hotspot. So there it is from me, right over here. Now the position of this toggle may vary a bit, so keep that in mind. But before you actually toggle it on, hold it, and this will take us to the settings where we can set up portable hotspot. So number one, you have the password for it, which you can change it if you want to something easier to remember. Only thing to keep in mind, it needs to have at least 8 characters in length. Then SSID will be just the name of the Wi-Fi. You can change that as well if you want to. Security, keep it as it is. This will basically retain the password, so not everybody can connect to your Wi-Fi. Then device identification, just keep it as it is, and select AP band. This is optional. 2.4 will be used by every device, basically every smartphone, while 5 GHz should be accessible to majority of the newer devices. Now if you have some older device and you're at 5 GHz, you might not see the network. So if that is the case, that you have it enabled but you just don't see it, you can try to drop it to 2.4 and then it should work just fine. And once everything is set, just tap on the check mark. Now also certain devices, when you go into Wi-Fi list, will show you which network is 5 GHz and which one is not, which it looks like on this device at least it does show. So you can see there is one with 5G right there, then you have 2.4 and 5. Certain networks and also certain phones can have both enabled at the same time, so you'll have one name for both of the networks and you'll just connect to the better one that you can connect to. But yeah, so that is basically how you would set up the hotspot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.